This is traffic light control systems. Using this finite automata, we can implement the traffic light control also. For example, the light moves from red to ampere, that is yellow, then yellow to green. We know the working principles of traffic control systems. Here, we are giving some input that is called the time. Based on the time, it will change from, that is a toggle from red to yellow, then yellow to green, again green to yellow, then yellow to red. Initially it starts with red state, again come back to this final state. So that's why we can represent as a single circle as well as a double circle. So this is a valid path of the traffic light control system. So like that we can solve, we can create or we can design any model for the real time problems. So before going to implement any process, we have to give the model or designs using this finite automata concept. Here one more problem, that is finite automation that recognize the binary strings 110. So the question itself, they are giving the string valid strings only 110. So like that we have to draw the machine. It's always start with Q naught as a initial state. So we are giving any number of possibilities, but we can give the valid path also. So in this figure we are having three paths maybe. Here Q naught to Q1 and Q naught to Q5, Q6, here Q naught to Q2, Q3 and Q4. But we can assume or we can create this valid path through this path only, because it will start from initial state and is entered with final state, and also it will give the valid binary strings 110. So in concern the finite automata, we are having the 5 tuples in this traffic light control system. How many states here? That is called Q. Q means here number of states. We are having 3 states, R, Y, G. And what is the input? That is here T. What is the transitions? The transitions move from R of T to Y, Y of T to G, then G of T to Y. Again Y of T to R. So this is a transition, and the valid path we can say that is R to Y, Y to Z, then Z to Y, then Y to R. This is a valid path. So like that we can say here number of states, how many states here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 states, yeah, 4, 5, then 7 state is here. What is the input? Maybe 1 and 0. What is the initial state? Q naught, and final state Q4, and the transitions of Q naught to 1 is Q1, Q naught to 1 is Q2, Q naught is 1 is Q5. So like that we can represent as a finite automata. Thank you.